Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Gummies Enchilados using an easy method. First, gather your favorite gummy candies, like gummy bears or worms. You'll also need some chamoy sauce and a good chili powder blend, such as Tajin. Make sure you have a mixing bowl and a baking sheet ready for the next steps. This simple process will transform your ordinary gummies into a spicy, tangy treat. Now, let's get those gummies coated. Carefully place your chosen gummies into a large mixing bowl. Next, pour about 2 to 3 tablespoons of chamoy sauce over the gummies. Gently toss and stir them until each gummy is thoroughly and evenly coated with the chamoy. This sticky layer is crucial for the chili powder to adhere properly, giving you that perfect enchilado flavor. Once your gummies are coated in chamoy, it's time for the chili powder. Sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred chili powder, blend directly over the chamoy-coated gummies in the bowl. Toss them again, making sure the powder adheres well to every piece. You want a generous and even coating on all sides to achieve that signature spicy and tangy kick. Finally, for the best texture, spread your enchilado gummies in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Let them air dry for about 15 to 30 minutes. This helps them firm up slightly and reduces stickiness. Once dry, they are ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container to maintain their delicious flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.